It's a 2017 GMC Yukon. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this Yukon. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Ecotec 3 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Baglier Buick GMC. Browse our inventory online or in person, or swing by our award-winning service department today. You can find us just to the south of downtown Butler on Pittsburgh Road.